What makes you, you? The answer lies in two amazing molecules, proteins and nucleic acids. Let us discover how they build all living things. Proteins are long chains of amino acids. Nucleic acids are chains of nucleotides. Both are biomolecules, the building blocks of life inside every cell. Proteins contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, sometimes sulfur. Their monomer is the amino acid. Many amino acids join by peptide bonds to form a polypeptide chain. Proteins have four structural levels: primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. Functions include enzymes, hormones like insulin, antibodies, and structural support like collagen in your skin. A nucleotide has three parts: a pentose sugar, a phosphate group, and a nitrogenous base. Remove the phosphate and you get a nucleoside, just sugar plus base. Let's build a DNA nucleotide. Start with deoxyribose sugar. Attach a phosphate group, then add the base adenine. We have made deoxyadenines in monophosphate. DNA is double-stranded with deoxyribose sugar and bases A, T, G. cRNA is single-stranded with ribose sugar, where uracil replaces thymine. Remember, U for RNA only. If a DNA strand reads ATGC, the matching RNA strand reads UACG. A pairs with U in RNA, T pairs with A, G pairs with C always. Many students confuse nucleoside and nucleotide. Remember, a nucleotide has a phosphate group, but a nucleoside does not. The phosphate makes the difference. Remember PAN, phosphate plus base plus sugar makes a nucleotide. Proteins build the body, while nucleic acids carry the instructions. Both work together for life. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com to keep learning. See you in the next video.